What is up, boss? In this video, I'll show you how to create a gift card that you could sell to your clients for them to give out as gifts to other people. So what I did was, we're in products and services. I created a new product and service. It's going to be a digital product called a gift card. Let's say it's a $25 card. And what we're going to do, we'll put a little line here, purchase one of these gift cards, and we'll send you a digital code, which you could then send to your client who made the purchase. And we have to put a little thank you message over there. And then the page looks like this. You could make the page look nice, put a little gift card image, $25, click buy now, and you know how the system works. And what you do is, if somebody buys this package, you'll get the information, you'll get the person's email. And what you'll do is you'll go down to the coupon codes and you'll create a coupon. I created one here, just edit it so you can see it, called it the gift card. We created a gift card coupon code. And of course, you could change this for every new order. You'll put you could keep it number order 978, 979, 980, etc. Discount coupon amount is $25, and you choose which one it was, which in this case was this is only going to work for the gift card. Maximum usage is 1. This is very important because you don't want someone else using the same gift card number or sharing that number and giving it out to other people. And we're going to make sure that's active. Save coupon. And now when somebody pushes an order, you're just going to take that coupon code, copy, paste it, and you'll send them an email just like you would contact them any other way. And that's how you could create coupon codes, coupon gift cards with Book Like a Boss.